Most of the time, we pass by nature without noticing it. We might look at it and still be unable to feel a sense because we're not present in ourselves. Even though we appreciate its beauty, we are still not present at all. Imagine feeling everything and nothing at the same time. The sky and the air are the lovers of delivering messages from yourself to yourself. It is up to us if we want to listen or if we are ready for it. The mountains might be smart enough to not move. All life wants to express itself through you. The water, with its travel experience and its own life going on. Just imagine the stories it carries about life experiences. Fascinating. Nature has ways of showing us that we are not different. We speak the same language, and we are connected by the same source. It is the language of oneness and the frequency of life. Nature always finds a way to express itself in such a unique and beautiful way. And so do we, like art. We are art, like nature. Let's flow like water, always moving, regardless of what's coming.